Munir medals, Akshay Patabi it is. It's going to start soon. A beautiful bowling. It's a chance. Cutter delivery, shot for a catch. Who will be coming to bat next? As it is Abu. A pacey one. And well played by Abu. Into the safe hands of Nirinder. Short pitch. This time, a cutter delivery attempted. Beauty! What a ball! What an over! What an event! Altos, a busy. What a ball! Pace. This time Abu connects and connects well over the fielder for a huge six into the leg. This time as a ball. The catch is taken on his follow through by Anas. What a comeback delivery from him. A slow ball. He has to open his account. What a ball, first up into the block hole. Played well though. One more run added to the team total. Slow ball. What a changing. What a ball, first up from Rose. What a ball! Crazy delivery from Rose. What a shot into the leg side goes Junaid. This is a gigantic hit. What a ball again! Again, a pacey one this time. Wide call. This time Junaid connects and well fielded there on the bounce. What a fielding effort from Akshay. Short pitch this time. He connects. One run added to the team total. This time Nikhil connects and well, what a shot. What a ball! He drops! A simple short pitch this time! Shout for a catch and the catch is taken. Nikhil is good from there. 7 overs. Short pitch this time. What a shot. A slow cutter delivery, well batted. Well fielded by the fielder there. What a ball and what a shot from the batter there, Junaid. One more run. What a beautiful game. Again, what a ball. This time the batter connects, but the chance. The catch is dropped by the bowler there, but Akshay Hawkeye is in the. What a shot first up from the batter there, Fazil. Well fielded by the easy delivery. Slow ball. What a clever bowler he is. What a ball! Pachu connects. Well fielded there. 1 runs. Shahul trying for a big hit. This time the batter connects for 1. Well fielded Shajir there. Well fielded by the fielder there. What an over. What a bowling display from this bowler. 2 overs completed. Given away only 8 runs and took the important wicket. What a quality bowling spell he make. What a beautiful first off delivery from Akshay PK. Both Akshay's are bowling well for. Short pitch. Wide call by the umpire. This time the batter connects. But this time the catch is taken by the fielder, Akshay. What a delivery from Akshay. Very good bowling. അടുത്ത മത്സരത്തിൽ second semi-final. This time the batter connects. What a shot. Is this late? What a ball after the 5th delivery. This is unnecessary from the batters there. After stays Arjun underneath it and drops a catch. 2 runs. Shajir, what an effort from the wicket keeper, flying Shajir behind the stumps. Family shop Umesh Oduvarayum അണിനിരക്കുന്ന Teammate 11 semi-final and the battle between Teammate 11 versus Ua Pratibha Vallapura.
മുട്ടുമുട്ടിപ്പോ
46 runs to win from 7 overs.
മുട്ടാൻ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോ കുണ്ടി കടിച്ചു പോകുന്നോടാ തെറ്റ്.
Beautiful ball. First up and well played by Shajir. Started with What a first update. This time Akshay connects. That was a chance. And the chance is dropped. Will this affect the slow cutter delivery attempted by Abu? Well fielded though. Easy delivery. That was a chance. Aflu, what a spin from the youngster there. This time, what a bowling from Abu. The easy one. What a ball to start the proceedings. Well played by the batter there. Short pitch delivery, a full pace delivery. This time couldn't collected by the what a shot from Shajir this time. Beauty of cricket shot. With the loss of 1 wicket. Again a full toss delivery. This time couldn't connect well by the batter there. Well fielded by Nigel. What a shot! This is brutal hitting from Srijit. White. Shot for a catch, and the catch is taken after hitting a beautiful six. One goes.
കളിക്കട്ടോ ഞാൻ മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചിരുന്നു ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ നോക്കി
Roshan came. Back to back. Slow cutter deliveries attempted by the bowler. This time Roshan opened his account. This time another slow ball. Again the catch is dropped by the fielder Nikhil. Easy delivery this time from Abu. Well fielded by the fielder. This time Shajir connects. What a shot! It was flat. Unlike a trace of bullet. Shajir ഏറ്റുമുട്ടുന്ന ടീമേക്ക് 11-ന്റെയും യുവപ്രതിഭയുടെയും what about first up? They all are appealing. They all are appealing. Runs needed from 23 balls. Who is going to bat next? It is Anas. Can he continue the magic of us? What a shot! Into the left side. First ball, first six. Brutal power hitting from the bat of. Is this the moment? Slow ball again. This time well fielded by Sachit. This time a slower delivery from the bowler Tiwari. This time a pacey delivery from Tiwari. A slow ball and well played by Shajir. Four. Reverse it from the batter, Shajir there. Here is a 360. The match is over. Shajir. What a batting display from this batter there. He batted for 22 runs from 11 balls. Anas with 7 runs from 3 balls.
എടാ കറക്റ്റ്
മുത്തെന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്ന പി വി രതീഷ്, ഞങ്ങളുടെ രതീഷ് ഏട്ടൻ.